The first step in fixing channel issues is checking all physical connections. Make sure your aerial cable and HDMI cables are securely connected to your EE-TV box. Next, test your signal strength. Navigate to Settings, then Signal and Connection, and select Signal Test. You need at least 50% signal strength and 60% signal quality for stable reception. If your signal is weak or channels are missing, try automatic retuning. Go to Settings, then System, then Auto Retune, and select Retune Now. This process takes about 10 to 15 minutes. If automatic retuning doesn't work, try manual retuning. Go to Settings, System, Manual Retune. Select your region and choose Full Retune. This more thorough process takes 20 to 30 minutes. Next, verify your subscription status. Log into your MyEE account to check your active subscriptions. Then refresh your entitlements by going to Settings, Account, and selecting Refresh Subscription. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, System, Factory Reset. Warning, this will erase all your recordings and settings, so only use this if other methods have failed. Finally, ensure your EE-TV box has the latest software. Enable automatic updates in Settings, System, Software Update, and turn Auto Update on. You can also manually check for updates to ensure optimal performance.